In this video, I will take you through everything you need to know about the Amazfit Bip 5 Unity, which is the latest evolution of the popular Bip series. If you are looking for a massive display without a massive price tag, this might be the smartwatch for you. The first thing you will notice is the huge 1.91-inch screen. It is vibrant and responsive, making it easy to read notifications while you are on the go. While it uses an LCD panel instead of AMOLED, the colors still pop, and the brightness is impressive even in direct sunlight. The design is sleek with a stainless steel frame that feels much more premium than previous plastic models. Beyond the looks, this watch is a fitness powerhouse. It tracks over 120 different sports modes and features high-precision heart rate monitoring and blood oxygen tracking. One of the best upgrades is the integrated Alexa support, and the ability to make Bluetooth phone calls directly from your wrist. The microphone and speaker are surprisingly clear for a device in this price range. Battery life remains a major strength, as you can easily get over a week of use on a single charge. It is a fantastic choice for anyone who wants a reliable, stylish, and functional wearable.